Hello everyone, welcome to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn Class 7 Chapter 3 Simple Equations, Exercise 3.2. Let us see the first sum. Give the steps you will use to separate the variables and then solve the equations. See the first sum, 5m by 3 equals to 10. Let us see the solution. Given equation is 5m by 3 that equals to 10. Now we are going to multiply by 3 on both sides. Write down 5m by 3 into 3 that equals to 10 into 3. Here 3 cancel, write down here 5m that equals to 10 3s are 30. Now we are going to divide by 5 on both sides. So implies 5m by 5 that equals to 30 by 5. 5 cancel, m equals to 5 table, 5 ones are 5. 5 6 are 30, so m value is equal to 6. Therefore, m equals to 6 is the solution for the given equation. See now first question, second sum, 4n minus 23 equals to 13. Let us see the solution. Given 4n minus 23 equals to 13. Here in this question we have to get only the variable. For that what we are doing is here minus 23 is there. To remove minus 23 we are adding 23 on both sides. See here 4n minus 23 plus 23 that equals to 13 plus 23. Minus 23 plus 23 cancel. Here you will get 4n that equals to 13 plus 23 that is 36. Now we need only n value. So to remove this 4 we are dividing by 4 on both sides. So write down 4n by 4 that equals to 36 by 4. 4 table 4 cancel. N equals to 4 table 36 is 9 times. 4 is 1 time. So n value is 9. Therefore n equals to 9 is the solution for the given equation. See now first question, third sum, minus 5 plus 3x that equals to 16. Let us see the solution. Given equation is minus 5 plus 3x that equals to 16. Now we need to get only variable x. Here minus 5 is there, so that add 5 on both sides to remove that minus 5. So write down minus 5 plus 3x that equals to 16 plus 5. 5 minus 5 cancel. Write down here 3x that equals to 16 plus 5 that is 21. Now to remove this 3 we are going to divide by 3 on both sides. Write down 3x by 3 that equals to 21 by 3. 3 cancel, write down x that equals to 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. So x value is 7. Therefore x equal to 7 is the solution for the given equation. See now first question, fourth sum, 2 into y minus 1 equal to 8. Let us see the solution. Given 2 into y minus 1 equal to 8. To remove this 2, divide by 2 on both sides. So write down 2 into y minus 1 by 2 that equals to 8 by 2. Here 2 cancel. Here 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. So write down y minus 1 equals to 4. To remove this minus 1, we are going to add 1 on both sides. So write down y minus 1 plus 1 that equals to 4 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Here y equals to 4 plus 1 means 5. Therefore y equals to 5 is the solution for the given equation. See now question number 2. Solve the following simple equations and check the results. See the first sum, 3x equal to 18. Let us see the solution. Given 3x equals to 18. To remove this 3 we are going to divide by 3 on both sides. So write down 3x by 3 that equals to 18 by 3. Here 3 cancel. Here 3 ones are 3. 3 6 are 18. Write down x equals to 6. Now let us verify whether this solution is correct or not. So check, substitute x equal to 6 in 3x equals to 18. Take LHS, that is left hand side part, that is 3x that equals to 3 into x value 6. 3 into 6 18. 18 that equals to RHS. So LHS value is equal to RHS. Hence verified. So our solution x equal to 6 is correct. See now second question, second sum. B by 7 equals to minus 2. Let us see the solution. Given b by 7 equals to minus 2. To remove this 7, we are going to multiply by 7 on both sides. So write down 7 into b by 7, that equals to minus 2 into 7. Here 7 cancel, write down b equals to minus 2 into 7, that is minus 14. Now we are going to check our result. So substitute b equals to minus 14 in given equation. B by 7 equals to minus 2. We have taken LHS, that is left hand side part, that is b by 7, that equals to minus 14 by 7. That equals to 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So the answer is minus 2, which is equals to RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. See now second question, third sum. Minus 2x equals to minus 10. Let us see the solution. Given equation is minus 2x equals to minus 10. Here minus 2 is multiplied. So to remove that number, we are going to divide by minus 2 on both sides. So write down minus 2x by minus 2, that equals to minus 10 by minus 2. Minus 2 cancel, write down x equals to, here minus cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So x value is equal to 5. Let us check our result. Substitute x equal to 5 in given equation. Minus 2x equals to minus 10. We have taken LHS value, that equals to minus 2x, that equals to minus 2 into x value is 5. That equals to minus 2 into 5, that is minus 10, which is equal to RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. See now fourth sum. 10 plus 6a equals to 40. Let us see the solution. Given equation is 10 plus 6a equal to 40. Here plus 10 is there. To remove that, we are going to subtract 10 on both sides. So write down 10 minus 10 plus 6a, that equals to 40 minus 10. Plus 10 minus 10 cancel, write down 6a, that equals to 40 minus 10, that is 30. To remove this 6, we are going to divide by 6 on both sides. So write down 6a by 6, that equals to 30 by 6. Here 6 cancel, write down a equals to 6 ones are 6, 6 fives are 30. So a value is equal to 5. Let us check the result. Substitute a equals to 5 in given equation. 10 plus 6a equal to 40. LHS value we have taken, that is 10 plus 6a, that equals to 10 plus 6 into a value is 5. That equals to 10 plus 6 fives are 30. So 10 plus 30 is 40, which is equal to RHS. Therefore LHS value is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. See now second question, fifth sum.
Minus 7m equals to 21.
Let us see the solution. Given equation is minus 7m equals to 21. Here minus 7 is going to multiply. To remove that, we are going to divide by minus 7 on both sides. So let us write minus 7m by minus 7, that equals to 21 by minus 7. Minus 7 cancel. Here m equals to 7 table, 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. 3 by minus 1 means minus 3. So m value we got here minus 3. Let us check our result. Substitute m equals to minus 3 in given equation. Minus 7m equal to 21. We have taken LHS part, that is minus 7m, that equals to minus 7 into m value is minus 3. That equals to minus into minus plus 7 threes are 21, which is equals to RHS part. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. See now sixth sum. 4p plus 7, that equals to minus 21. Let us see the solution. Given equation is 4p plus 7, that equals to minus 21. To remove this plus 7, we are going to subtract 7 on both sides. So write down 4p plus 7 minus 7, that equals to minus 21 minus 7. Plus 7 minus 7 cancelled, write down 4p equals to minus 21 minus 7, that is minus 28. To remove this multiplied by 4, we are going to divide by 4 on both sides. So write down 4p by 4, that equals to minus 28 by 4. Here 4 cancel, write down p equals to 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28. Minus 7 by 1 means minus 7. So we got here p value equals to minus 7. Let us check our result. Substitute p equals to minus 7 in given equation. 4p plus 7 equals to minus 21. We have taken LHS part, that is 4p plus 7, that equals to 4 into p value is minus 7 plus 7, that equals to 4 into minus 7 minus 28 plus 7, that equals to minus 28 plus 7. Opposite sign we have to do subtraction. Write on minus 28 minus 7 is 21. That is equal to RHS. Here LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. See now 7th sum. 3x minus 1 by 3 equal to 5. Let us see the solution. Given equation is 3x minus 1 by 3, that equals to 5. To remove this minus 1 by 3, we are going to add 1 by 3 on both sides. Let us see now. 3x minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that equals to 5 plus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 cancelled. Write down 3x equals to 5 plus 1 by 3. Here 5 below, no number is there. Let us keep here 1. So the LCM is here 3. So multiply now. 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16. Write down 16 by 3. To remove this 3, we are going to divide by 3 on both sides. So write down 3x by 3, that equals to 16 by 3 into 1 by 3. Here 3 cancel, write down x equals to, multiply numerator 16 into 1, 16 by denominator multiply 3 into 3, 9. So x value is 16 by 9. Let us check our result. Substitute x value is equal to 16 by 9 in given equation 3x minus 1 by 3, that equals to 5. Here we have taken our LHS part, that equals to 3 into x value 16 by 9 minus 1 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 3s are 9. That equals to 1 into 16, 16 by 3 minus 1 by 3. That equals to, here denominator is same, so write down by 3. Subtract numerators, 16 minus 1, that is 15. 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. That equals to 5, which is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS value is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. See now 8th sum. 18 minus 7n equals to minus 3. Let us see the solution. Given 18 minus 7n equal to minus 3. To remove this 18, we are going to subtract 18 on both sides. So write down 18 minus 7n, that equals to minus 3 minus 18. Plus 18 minus 18 cancelled. Write down minus 7n, that equals to minus 3 minus 18, that is minus 21. Now to remove this minus 7, we are going to divide by minus 7 on both sides. So write down minus 7n by minus 7, that equals to minus 21 by minus 7. Minus 7 cancel. Write down n equals to, here minus cancelled. 7 ones are 7, 7 3s are 21. 3 by 1 means 3. So we got here n equals to 3. Now let us check our result. Substitute n equals to 3 in given equation 18 minus 7n, that equals to minus 3. Now we are going to take LHS part, that is 18 minus 7n, that equals to 18 minus 7 into n value is 3. That equals to 18 minus 7 3s are 21. That equals to 18 minus 21 is minus 3, which is equal to RHS part of the given equation. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. See now second question 9 sum 3 into k plus 4 equal to 21. Let us see the solution. Given equation is 3 into k plus 4 equal to 21. To remove this 3 we are going to divide by 3 on both sides. Let us write now 3 into k plus 4 by 3, that equals to 21 by 3. Here 3 cancel, write down k plus 4, that equals to 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. So 7 by 1 means 7. To remove this 4, we are going to subtract 4 on both sides. So write down k plus 4 minus 4, that equals to 7 minus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel, write down here k equals to 7 minus 4 is 3. Therefore, we got k value equals to 3. Now let us check our result. Substitute k equals to 3 in given equation 3 into k plus 4 equal to 21. Here we have taken LHS part, that is 3 into k plus 4, that equals to 3 into k value is 3 plus 4, that equals to 3 into 3 plus 4 is 7. Now multiply 3 into 7 is 21, which is equal to RHS part of the given equation. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. See now second question 10th sum 9 into a plus 1 plus 2 equal to 11. Let us see the solution. Given equation is 9 into a plus 1 plus 2 equal to 11. To remove this plus 2 we are going to subtract 2 on both sides. Let us write now 9 into a plus 1 plus 2 minus 2, that equals to 11 minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel, write down 9 into a plus 1, that equals to 11 minus 2, we will get 9. To remove this 9, we are going to divide 9 on both sides. So write down 9 into a plus 1 by 9, that equals to 9 by 9. Here 9 cancel, here 9 table 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9. So write down a plus 1 equal to 1. To remove this plus 1, we are going to subtract 1 on both sides. So write down a plus 1 minus 1, that equals to 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So a equals to 0. Now we are going to check our result by substituting a value equal to 0 in given equation 9 into a plus 1 plus 2 equal to 11. Here we have taken LHS part, that is 9 into a plus 1 plus 2, that equals to 9 into a value is 0 plus 1 plus 2, that equals to 0 plus 1 1. So 9 into 1 plus 2, 9 ones are 9 plus 2. So 9 plus 2 is 11, which is equal to RHS part of the given equation. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. Today we have seen chapter 3 simple equations exercise 3.2 all sums. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.